Rustin's quick dry metal paint. Let's take a look. If you have a few pesky paint chips on the metal legs of your furniture, this video will show you how I quickly, effectively and quite easily freshen them up. Now here you can see a bit of discoloration. Obviously the steel should be a sort of silver grey colour, so there is probably a little bit of rust here, and this is where I use the fine wool. Basically that will kind of remove that surface rust, and it'll also smooth out the edges of the paint chips. Now that that is nice and smooth, we can go on with our black paint. This is a brand called Rustin's. It's quick dry, takes about 2 hours. It states that you do not need a primer and you can paint directly onto rust if you wish. For that first coat, I did focus on the areas where the paint was already missing, and I let that dry for a couple of hours, and now I'm going to smooth it out with the 2000 grit sandpaper. You do want to make sure that you're applying the paint in one direction, and in this case you can see I'm going vertically down the chair leg. I repeat the process 3 times, so on these high traffic areas I do 4 coats of the paint. For the rest of the chair, 2 coats will suffice. Here are a few before and afters so you can see the results. I'm extremely happy with this. I'll definitely use this product moving forward. What's great about it is it can be used on indoor and outdoor furniture, so very versatile. I think you'll be happy with this purchase.